Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy, Mr. Football West Coast, and I'm back at you with another video. Today, we're going to be shining up these M3 exhausts. Notice at the bottom how it has, black film. We're going to go ahead and take that off using Chemical Guys heavy metal polish. Now, I've used this stuff before in the past and it works really well, but I haven't used it on this vehicle, so we're gonna see. Try to set this up. If you can see that, I'm going to apply. Go ahead and clean this up. Using some wipes. Kill some of that, get some of that excess stuff off first before we apply the real deal. So clean that off. Alright. Shake it up. Open it up. Make sure, because sometimes they put this little tab in there. Okay, there's no tab. Alright, this is good. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some to this microfiber towel. Start rubbing it on there. Getting it all the way around. Getting it all over. Wow, this comes right off. That's crazy. So this stuff is the real deal. Again, this is the Chemical Guys heavy metal polish, and it's around, you can get it for about $9.99, around $10 and some cents with taxes. Again, we're just getting some of this film off from the exhaust. Wow, this stuff just comes right off. No effort. I'm barely even scrubbing. This comes right off. Now this stuff does have a little scent to it, so kind of don't just be up in it and sniff it in and stuff like that. But kind of keep your distance. Obviously, do it kind of outside where you have a breeze. I wouldn't recommend it doing it in a garage, because you don't want to smell this stuff for too long. I'm going to show you guys the difference. Look at the left one. Look at the right one. Look at that. Look at the difference. Especially at the bottom. Look at that. Wow. So this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.